Good morning. It is still morning, isn't it?
Just about, yeah.
Good morning from Mykonos in Greece. As you can see, we've docked in the little port, which is about 2 miles from the main town. We're going to catch the sea taxi, which you may be able to just see in the background.
Just behind me.
There. We're going to catch a sea taxi over to Mykonos Town, which takes about 8 minutes. It's a bit breezy today, so it might be a bit choppy across, but as I say, it's only 8 minutes, so I think we'll probably cope. We got here quite early this morning, 7 a.m, still dark. It's brightened up a bit. It was a bit grey this morning, but the clouds have broken up. You can see some nice blue sky. As I say, we're going into Mykonos Town. I've already had breakfast this morning and done a bit of filming around the ship. So we're going to do some more filming around the pretty streets of Mykonos. We might have a beer, but I think we'll probably come back here for lunch. We don't leave till 7 p.m. tonight.
No, I think it's 8 o'clock.
Oh, is it?
I think so. 7:30 all aboard again.
Oh yeah, yes, you're right. So we've been.
Yeah.
So it's quite a long day here. I can see on the other side there's a beach in the distance.
Yeah.
Yeah, but not many people on it by the look of it. So that probably tells you it's a bit cooler. So as I say, last night we ate in the Chops Grill for Peter's birthday. Unfortunately, they're not allowed to sing Happy Birthday at the moment.
No, so they just write it on the plate with a red velvet cake.
I don't know. They didn't give a reason why they can't sing Happy Birthday. I think it's because they're wearing the face masks all the time.
So.
But I said they could still have made the effort.
Well, it's fine.
Never mind. But I would say after that, we were quite full. We didn't stay up late last night because the other night we stayed up and got a bit carried away, so we were feeling a bit ropey yesterday morning. So we feel much better for an early night last night. But as I say, we're off to explore Mykonos Town, so we will see you later. Bye.
Bye now.